go, big dog.
What's going on?
What's up? Bunch of hoes. Let's go. Let's go.
Relax.
Now they lying. Yeah, pull me off the plane. All my boys went to crib. Now what?
And this is why he got
All right. You Dustin Poirier?
You, bro.
All right, just relax.
You and her. I'll fight you right now.
No, I don't want to fight, bro.
I'll go with you right now.
Bro, I don't want to fight, bro. I don't want to fight.
Let's go.
I don't want to fight.
Let's go.
Radio have you.
Yeah, tell him, come on.
Get a couple of
Because it's gonna be bad.
Bro, just
It's gonna be bad, my nigga.
No, bro.
What's up?
Bro, relax.
You wanna fight?
Radio 37.
Radio, start serious.
How you boys gonna fight something?
Radio 37 champ.
Boy, you.
Oh, relax, bro. Relax, bro.
You gonna take
I
it?
copy.
Relax.
Bro, I'm gonna bang you up.
Bro, relax.
I'm gonna do it.
Just relax.
Give me a good one.
Yo. They kicked him off the
Bunch of
flight.
hoes,
This
bro.
guy's a UFC
Bunch of bitch
fighter,
ass.
bro. You know.
What's going on, brother? Talk to me. Man, the bitch is lying hoes, man. Let's go. Arrest me. Let's go. Let's go. Arrest me. That's the best way, dog. That's the best way. That's the best way. Hey, pound it.
All right, man.
Now you did a great job, bro. You did a great job. You did what you could.